Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Kohls. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohls website. Now from the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner to proceed towards the login portal. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Type in your account password within the password box and then click on sign in once again. And now you will be logged into your existing account on Kohls right away. And you can immediately start browsing through the various products that are available and start shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Kohls. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.